The legal battle over who governs Bayelsa State appears to have been settled temporarily, as the five-man panel of the Court of Appeal affirmed the election of Senator Diri as the governor of the state. The appellate court, in a unanimous judgment, ruled that there was enough evidence to prove that ANDP presented an underaged and unqualified candidate for the election, in breach of sections 177, 182, and 189 of the 1999 Constitution as amended. The court also held that the petition filed before the tribunal was not only statute barred, but equally a pre-election matter that was outside the jurisdiction of the tribunal. Must be filed within 14 days after the cause of action arose. ANDP filed its petition at the tribunal 5 months after its deputy governorship candidate was disqualified by INEC. Lawyers to the governor of Bayelsa State and Independent National Electoral Commission applaud the verdict of the appellate court.
This judgment is so clear, is so well considered, so clinical, so analytical, so scholarly. In fact, this is a judgment that has dealt with very critical issues as to what constitutes a pre-election matter and also what constitutes valid nomination and unlawful exclusion.
The Court of Appeal has considered the petition, the appeals filed by the various appellants, particularly with respect to the appeal filed by ANDP, and has come to the conclusion that the appeals have merit and we are satisfied, and victory has been declared that INEC properly declared the governor of Bayelsa State.
The court, while dismissing 3 other appeals filed by Accord Party, Liberation Movement, and Alliance for Democracy, also upheld the appeal filed by the Independent National Electoral Commission challenging the verdicts of the tribunal.
The court has declared that what the trial court did was wrong, and that the appellant, the man who said he was excluded, was not unlawfully excluded because he was not qualified to have contested the election in the first instance.
The national chairman of the ANDP vowed to challenge the judgment at the Supreme Court.
We are going to look into it and appeal against the judgment. It's not the final court.
With the verdicts of the appellate court setting aside the majority judgment of the election petition tribunal, the legal battle over who governs Bayelsa State may end up at the Supreme Court.